Hi guys, and now we're here in Canva and I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a coloring book inside of Canva. But I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me some ideas of, a prompt that I wanna use to create a coloring book. This is my first time I'm going to try these apps inside of Canva. So without any further ado, let's do this. I'm going to show you guys here on the left side. You will see there are so many icons here. So what we're going to do is to click the apps here. This is the apps, and we're going to find here you see there are so many trending apps inside of Canva. So I'm looking for coloring book. So if you cannot find here, I think here on the search bar, let's type coloring book. All right, so there you go. So we can do coloring book, color mix, there are a lot of things that you can do here. So I'm gonna click the coloring book. Okay, since this is the video tutorial for coloring book, and then you can bring your imagination to life with coloring book like this. As you see, you can use your existing design if you already created a design for coloring, or use a new design to create a coloring book. Okay, so this is created by coloring book team. So if I click this one, oh, hold on, you see here coloring book is an app that turns text descriptions into a coloring book style, allowing users to bring their imagination to life. So we need a prompt here so that these apps can create what are the ideas or what kind of book that you wanted to create. So like for example, I'm going to create this one. All right, so here is to generate the image. All right, so we're going to write a prompt here inside of this bar so that we can generate the image. And here are some of the prompt example, the description that you want to write it down here so that it can create the image that you want. And here your description can be in any language, not only in English, but English is likely to give the best result if you use English language, but you can also use other language if you want to. So here are some of the example of the prompt, and as you see here guys, you have 2 credits left. So we only get 2 credits every day. So if you want to get more credits, then I think you need to pay, I don't know how much, but I never do that. So you have 2 credits left, so you get 2 credits every day. So if I use this 2 credits, so I cannot make any more coloring book until tomorrow. So just be mindful guys that we can only use 2 credits. And I just want to show you guys and share that you can create a coloring book inside of Canva. Okay, so now I'm going to generate image here, but I need the help of ChatGPT. So I've already went to ChatGPT. All right, so let's go to ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT to write or suggest a prompt for coloring book about funny comics. I like funny comics. So here are some of the ideas that ChatGPT gave to me. A silly dog wearing oversized sunglasses and trying to skateboard, a group of talking vegetables cracking jokes in a fridge, a superhero cat saving the day with a cape that's way too long, and a friendly robot accidentally watering itself instead of a flower. But I cannot use all of these. I can only get 2 of this because I only have 2 credits. So I think for the first trial, I've never done this. So let's go back again, and I'm just gonna copy and paste. There you go. So let's do a group of talking vegetables cracking jokes in a fridge. Okay, what about this? Okay, I'm gonna copy this one and I'm gonna paste it here. A group of talking vegetable cracking jokes in a fridge, and then I'm gonna click generate, and let's see how it looks like. All right, there you go. There's so many veggies here. There are so many veggies, and you can, okay. And if you're good with this, then you can download it. But if you want to, if you don't like it, then you can regenerate it. But I only have 1 credit. All right, so now we're gonna try one more time, and since I only have 1 more credit, I'm going back to ChatGPT again, and let's try one more time. Okay, I'm gonna get this, a friendly robot accidentally watering itself instead of a flower. I'm gonna copy this one and I'm gonna paste it here, and then I'm going to ask to generate the image. this is my last credit, guys. See, I only have 1 credit left. So I just want to show you guys and share that you can create an image or coloring, anything, the coloring that you want for your kids or for yourself inside of Canva, just to generate the image of the, you know, coloring book, whatever you want. So this is just an example that I asked ChatGPT to create an image. Oh, okay, so now there you go. So here is a friendly robot accidentally watering itself instead of a flower. So now you can download this one and then you can start coloring. So that's it, guys. So I don't have 0 credits left, so I cannot I want to try more, but you know, this is the only credit that we got every day. So you got 2 credits every day, so you can just download this one and, you know, keep saving every day the 2 credits, and then you go, and you can now create a coloring book inside of Canva. Okay, if you don't have any idea, you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you some, you know, ideas or prompts. It depends on what kind of coloring book that you wanted to create. Okay, so that's all for today's, guys, and hope you like this tutorial inside of Canva. And this is my Vlogmas day 4. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video every week. But this month, I'm gonna upload a video every day, so please subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, just write down there in the comments, and I'll make sure that I will reply to you as soon as possible. For all of my subscribers, thank you so much for supporting this channel all the time. And yes, I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.